Welcome and thank you for joining me. In today's video tutorial, I am going to show you how to do the front post triple crochet. And as you can see here, I have front post triple crochets that you use a lot in these cable stitches or braids. So today I'm going to show you how to do the triple crochet through the front post. So as you can see here, I have some double crochet. So what you're going to do is you're going to chain 3 and turn. And the chain 3 will count as a double crochet. Okay, and next we are going to do 4 front post triple crochets. So what the triple crochet usually calls for is you skip the first 2 stitches and then you triple crochet through the front post of the 3rd and 4th stitch. Okay, so I'll show you here. So you wrap your yarn around the hook twice like you would a triple. You go skipping those 2 front posts. You go through the front across the front of the row. From left to right, you go under that post. You wrap the yarn around, bring it through, and complete your triple crochet like you normally would. So you have 4 loops on your hook. You're going to wrap the yarn around, bring through 2, wrap the yarn around, bring through 2, wrap the yarn around, and bring through 2. And there you have your front post triple crochet. So we have to do the same thing in the next stitch. So we're going across the front of the row, under the post, left to right. For us left-handed people, wrap the yarn around and bring it through and complete your triple crochet. Wrap the yarn around, bring through 2 loops, wrap the yarn around, bring through 2 loops, wrap the yarn around, bring through 2 loops. And there you have your 2 front post triple crochet. So next you are going to go into those stitches that were skipped. So you wrap your yarn around the hook like you're doing triple. You go behind these triple crochet stitches that you just made. Okay, and then you still go across the front of the row, going under that first skip stitch, and then you can fold those triples that you just did. You can fold those down so you can see the 2 skip stitches. Okay, so I have that down, and next you're going to wrap your yarn around the hook, bring it through, and then finish your triple crochet. Okay, and then we have to do the same thing to the next skip stitch. So you're going to go across the front of the row, going left to right under that post, wrap the yarn around, bring it through, and complete your triple crochet. Okay, so let's do that again. Okay, so we are going to skip the next 2 stitches and triple front post crochet in the 3rd stitch, going through the across the front of the row, left to right under that post, wrap your yarn around and bring it through, and complete your triple crochet. We're going to do the same thing in the next stitch. Wrap your yarn around the hook twice, go across the front of the row, under that post, left to right, wrap your yarn around the hook, bring it through, and complete your triple crochet. Okay, so there you have your other triples. So now we are going to go back into those 2 stitches that we skipped. So wrap your yarn around the hook, go behind those triples you just did, across the front of the row, and go left to right under the post of the first skip stitch. Okay, and then you fold down those triples so you can see the 2 skipped stitches, and then you're going to wrap your yarn around the hook, bring it under that post, and complete your triple crochet. Okay, so we have to do the next skipped stitch, going behind those triples, going across the front under that post, left to right, fold those triples down. There you can see your post. So wrap your yarn around the hook, bring it through, and complete your triple crochet. Folding down the previous triples help us see those stitches. So that is a good lesson to learn when you're doing the triple front post stitches. Okay, and there you see we have our front post triple crochet. If there's any stitch you would like to see, any pattern you would like to see made left-handed, because I'm a left-handed crocheter, you can put that in the comments, provide me with the link. I will do my best to get it done for you. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and find me on the social media sites that are listed under this comment. Thank you for joining me. I will see you next time.